Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Another new week has come in. And I'm very happy to be with you here once again, together with Trading Real Time in New York session. Hello my friends, hi Ken. Hi Nestorin. Wow, you joined so on time. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. As you can see that gold just increased steadily last Friday after the non-farm payrolls economic data release, right? This is a very impressive bullish candle from 3300 to the highest level is around 33.53. Within 3 hours that it dropped, increasing 50 price. So that is kind of impressive. Okay, and this increasing bullish candle, this bullish candle already form a fair value gap area. So it's gold is easily dropping down and fill this gap, but we don't know when. Okay, remember this, we don't know when. And maybe the future, the time will answer, but it also still the supportive news. Supported news. Okay, so let's see that any news is coming next week, this week. As usual, we will check the Forex calendar. Alright, so Monday, today, it seems like quiet. And you can see that the market just moving in a narrow range, but still follow the current uptrend. Gradually increasing. And Tuesday and Thursday we have PMI and unemployment claims only. So this week is kind of quiet, right? It's kind of quiet and not busy for us. But we shouldn't let our guard down. We always set the stop loss order for every trade we're in. And now according to 1 hour time frame, you can see that gold is increasing gradually from this current trend line, and now it's heading to the current resistance zone. The previous time was reacting. It was reacting 1 2 3 4 more than 4 times. More than 4 times. And if gold can break out from this level 33.72, so it will continue to fill above gap here. You can see that in July 25 gold decreasing sharply here. So it's lack of liquidity. This area lack of liquidity. So it's going break out from this level. It will heading to above resistance zone 33.92. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so as you see that we are near to our planned day sell. 77, 33.74 to 76. Okay, so this is gonna be our scalping signal for today's stream. And by the way, congratulations all my VIP members that in our signal group, our gold signal group, that the entry zone the entry zone 3361 has reached more than 100 pips. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this kind of touched good before our stream today, right? And today the market is kind of support for our analysis and our VIP signal group. And now we will wait for active our blend day. And as always, if you want to receive more qualified scalping signal and want to trade real time with Golden Girl, welcome to our VIP signal group. Okay, thanks a lot for current 76 viewers. Yay. Yeah. And now we're near to our current blend day sell, 3374 and 3376. Okay, and the stop loss will be 82. Sorry, 79. Hang on, I will okay, you can see that on the left side, on the left side of the chart that I put the detail signal. Okay, let's observe closely and good luck to all of us. Okay, so you can see that the current narrow is getting more, the current zone is getting more and more narrowed, and it's wait for breakout. But we will consider to the current resistance. Yeah, we will bet one more time for this resistance zone. Okay, for the scalping signal. Yeah, scalping signal. And the same formula for every scalpers, 30 pips, close the part of the trade. Okay, close the part of the trade. And I believe that according to my analysis that gold is heading to the previous peak around 34, 32. Yeah, 34, even 34, 38. Okay, because it's supported by strong bullish momentum at the moment. So at least that tomorrow. And regarding to PMI, according to my prediction, that it's gonna be higher than previous, and this is gonna be a temporary adjustment for gold price. Yeah, it's gonna be a bearish momentum when this PMI news released tomorrow. Yeah, in the New York session, because nothing can increase forever, right? And another economic data is forecasted higher than previous. So the investors believe that U.S. economy is gradually recover. Gradually recover. Alright, and we will have detailed scalping signal when we trade news tomorrow in my VIP signal group. And now, okay, I would like to remind you once again that we are heading to the current blend day sell at the entry zone 74 to 76. Alright, let me adjust the stop loss level a bit. 81. And a few minutes ago that I just posted a analysis about the BTC USD. Yeah, BTC blend update. And if you want to receive that detailed analysis, you can click to the link. Yeah, copy it and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to that link. Okay, and if you click directly to the link that I posted on YouTube, it will not direct you to our channel. Yeah, you need to paste it, copy and paste it to your saved message on Telegram message first. And for me, that BTC movement is kind of nearly to gold. It's kind of similar to gold. Okay, so now gold is still heading up to a higher level. Yeah, and getting closer to our entry zone. Okay, so how did you start today? Trading result is okay for you? And my VIP members, that yeah, it's kind of touch good from Asian and until now, Asian session and until now. So it's kind of good start for a new week, right? And on the right side, you can see the summary of July, yeah, of the VIP signal growth of the Golden Girl last July. And if we can set the target for a month, yeah, if we can set the target for a month, it will reduce the pressure we face every single trade we're in. Okay, not every day market will support for our analysis. And if you have the broader view for the week or month profit, it's gonna be better for you, especially for the beginners. Okay, shouldn't be hurried. Yeah, shouldn't be hurried and bet all in for one trade or one trading day. We shouldn't do that. Okay, and if you're disciplined, you will paid well. Yeah, you will be paid well by the market. Okay, and the result, you can see that I did calculate on the chart. Okay, 72, nearly 2 price. Yeah, nearly 2 price left that it's gonna hit our entry zone. Okay, pray for us. Yeah, just kidding. Any signals that always set by our analysis. Yeah, so carefully when I did it. And please take note that for our stop loss level, yeah, it's up to 33.81. And let's see that the smaller time frame, what is going on in the smaller time frame. Five minutes. Remember, this is just the scalping signal. Okay, scalping signal. So around 30 pips is okay for us to close the part. And if you want to make sure that your trading is safe, you can set the break even. Yeah, set the break even. Alright, about 6 pips left, our signal will be active. And let's see. Remember, in New York session, if you are beginners, you should lower your trading volume. and do not enter a lot of layers. Okay, do not enter a lot of layers if you cannot handle all the trades quickly. Yeah, thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much. 5 pips left. Let's count down. Let's count down to our entry zone. All right, we have first entry zone around 74, and our current signal buy 33.62. Oh, the profit is more than 120 pips. Okay, so we will spend a part of our profit to trade for this current gold trading plan. Remember to set enough entry zone. Yeah, do not do over it. We need to have another entry around 75. Okay, so when it's heading back, close the back position. Yeah, it's pulled back, close the back position. Okay, drop it down. Okay, so let's see how is this candles form. Yeah, around more than 2 minutes that this candle will close. Alright, we have another entry zone 75. Hi Mike. Okay, I hope that you're in the current signal on time. Okay, so if you have entry zone 75, you can close entry 74. Okay, close back position will reduce your account pressure. Hi my friend. Okay, so nearly 2 minutes that it's gonna close if the current candle can close below the previous one. Okay, so it's gonna be another support from the sellers. But you can see that currently there's still confliction between the buyers and sellers. Even though now the buyers still on the game, yeah, still dominate the market, but yeah, the sellers is fighting quietly. Okay, so did you close the bad positions that I've just advised for you? Yeah, close the entry zone 74 will help your account less pressure. Because our entry is zone, okay, it's not a specific point. So follow the risk management will help you easier, calmer, okay, calmer when you trade. And always please remember this trading is probability. Okay, trading is probability. We just can't limit the lose percentage, okay, the lose rate. We only can do it, and we cannot make sure 100% winning rate. Okay, it's always happen like that, and that is the reason why we should follow the risk management strictly, okay, and be disciplined. Oh, it's continuous bullish. Okay, so close bad positions, everyone. Close bad position. 74 is our bad position. We have around 75.5. Hi, the flowers. Yeah, so that is the reason why I advised you to close this entry 74. Yeah, it will help your account less pressure. Okay, so it's heading to 76. Okay, we have enough entry zone. Do not enter too much. Okay, so let's see how is this candle, the current candle form. One hour chart. Okay, hang on. Yeah, it's still under the conflict between the buyers and sellers. Okay, this is okay. I will replace this line by this rectangle. Okay, this is our zone. Hang on, lower a bit. Okay, so it's near, it's just around to the entry zone. And if you have the better position and price pull back, close the bad one. Okay, close the bad one. And yes, it's heading down. You can close bad positions. Yeah, we can do it. Keep on doing like this. So your trading journey and trading style will be more easy. Easier. Yeah, so now you can close another positions around 75.5 because we had entry zone 76. Okay, so it's gonna take some time for gold conflict now. Yeah, this is still a very strong resistance. Yeah, this is still a very strong resistance zone. And now we're just looking for around 30 pips that we can confidently close apart and set the break even. Yeah. Heading down. Okay, so guys, did you close the entry zone 75 and hold 76? I hope that you can follow my advice. Yeah, you can follow my advice to updating your trading skill. All right, yes, that's good. Good job, Bear. Good job. All right. Oh, you're in 77. Okay, that's good. Now we will wait to close bad position 74. Okay. And if you're in 77, you get around 20 pips. So you can hold this good position. Oh, it's just heading up once again. Okay, let me zoom it out for you to easily observe it. So now gold is just challenging our emotion, right? Especially when we trade in a New York session. So this is gonna be faced all the time. Yeah, all the time. And especially when you trade news. If last Friday, do you enter any sell signal and forgot to set the stop loss order? So it's gonna be a big risk for you to wipe out your account, because in just 5 minutes, gold increases more than 30 price, which means 300 pips. Yeah, for buy signal. Okay, dear Simon, you can close entry 74. Heading down. Close the bad entry zone, everyone, and hold for the good positions only. Okay, near 20 pips for us. Congratulations. Ooh, what a close. Near 20 pips. Okay, so it's not near just 20 pips already. Yeah. From entry 76. Okay. Yeah, that is more breathe. We can breathe now. Yeah, hell yeah. So I already prepared for this scenario, but it's always like the first time we trade, right? It's thrill feeling. Okay, dear my friend, do you close the bad positions already? Gold is still had the conflict between the buyers, and the buyers is willing to come back and dominate the market. Okay, dear Simon, did you close the entry zone 74? I hope you did that, and hold for 77 only. Okay, that's good. The current sell zone, I did analysis based on the previous resistance. All right. Yeah, gold is just moving. It's stuck in the zone that I draw on the chart. Okay, so it's gonna take some time. I really hope that we did not meet the level 81. Yeah, in a few minutes later. I did not hope that. Okay, let's do it in a bigger time frame, like 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Yeah. Okay, I will come back to 1 hour chart for you to see it clearly. You can see that this level, yeah, is this a start? Another start for the current, for the previous bearish momentum of gold, right? It cannot break out. So according to my gold trading plan that I can predict, yeah, I can believe in this resistance once again for my scalping signal according to my gold trading plan. And for scalping, that's around 30 pips. Is that okay for us to close the part of the trade? Yeah, as we are scalpers, so very familiar formula for you is just small profit around 30 pips that we can close the part of the trade. It's still heading up strongly this time. So that's it, just my analysis, and if you follow, you can together we trade for this scalping signal. Heading down. Okay, so today gold is kind of trailing for our analysis, right? Oh yes, let's see what is going on in the small time frame, in the smallest time frame, 1 minute. Okay, so I believe that it's better for us to observe the chart in a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, we can see the detail of the candle movement. It's heading back to below entry zone. Okay, and if you are not close the back position, you can close it now. Yeah, hold for the good one only. Maybe you can enter for 78 or 77. Yeah, it's higher than our entry zone, but that is okay as long as you have good positions. And remember, when you got the bad one, the bad trade, just close it when price pull back. Oh, dear my friend, I remind you many times about closing 74 entry zone. Okay, so we will wait. In a 1 minute chart, you can see now gold is decreasing once again. Okay, so now it's chance for you to close the bad position. Yeah, close 74 now. and hold for the good positions only. Come on, break down now. Okay, dear my flowers, did you close that position? Heading down. Yeah, this simple action will help you a lot in your trading psychology. Regarding to TP, okay, you can see on the left side of the chart. Yeah, this is my gold trading plan that I posted on the chart for you. Okay, so no worries that I will copy for you again. 76, 65, 50. Right. Okay, is it for you? Is this okay for you? Alright, just update for you a bit that 25 pips. Oh dear. Yeah, that's just a small value. You can make it again. No worries. So are you beginner? So I believe that with this discipline and follow the reliable scalping signal, you will recover your loss soon. Okay, so it's just around and around the entry zone, coming back to the entry zone again. Okay, so flowers, I believe that you closed the entry zone 74 already, right? So in 1 minute, in 1 minute time frame, gold is moving sideways from the zone, from the level 74 to 76 or 77. Okay. Oh, Star Hamza. Oh, you're so quick. Yeah, truly a scalper. That's a super scalper. Yeah, small profit and quick. Yeah, that is the scalping style. Okay, scalping style. Okay, congratulations. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you in my VIP signal group. Yeah, together we are professional scalpers. Okay? Yeah, I see. But now the buyers and sellers is still fighting, and yeah, so it depends. Do you satisfying? Okay, it depends. As long as we have profit, so anything will be correct. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Josh, for your introduction. Yeah, actually, it's less than 50. Yeah, less than $50. Ooh, that is impressive number. Yeah, impressive numbers. Anyway, congratulations for your willing, your determination, and your discipline. So it's still moving sideways from the zone 74 to 77. Okay, so it's gonna take some time for us to wait for the market, the next move. About to drop down 71 to 72. Okay, in case that it can break down from the current level is 74. Yeah, it can break down with a very strong bearish engulfing candle. So now the market is still under the consideration for choosing the correct side. Yeah. And today there are not any news. Yeah, Monday empty for news. So I didn't expect for large bright zone movement. Yeah. So, but for small taking profit, it's okay for us to close the first part of the trade. And actually, that in my VIP signal group today, that I will do the summarized table, summary result later. But I can say overallly that we have totally winning signals so far. Yeah, and the profit is more than 70 pips. Okay, and at the end of the day, I will publish the summary calculations on my channel on Telegram for you to observe and follow it. Last week, Golden Girl had a good news I want to share with you is that on TradingView, on TradingView, that's my account is at the third level on TradingView last week. So this is kind of, I don't know how to say, but thank you. Thanks a lot for your kind cooperations and kind support for Nova Scalper, not only on YouTube but also on Telegram and TradingView. Yeah, so this is gonna be my positive, a huge energy. Yeah, very big energy for me to gradually update the signal. Yeah, getting more and more qualified, and we have more and more members to join in my community. Yeah, we together be a good trading scalpers. Okay, professional scalpers. And I hope that we continue to receive your support, and I promise that in the future, you will receive more and more qualified scalping signal. Yeah, to maximize profit and limit your loss. Okay, so now it's heading out. Yeah, it just break out from the current level. And a 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's wait for it pull back to the better position so that we will close. Yeah, we will close for this one. So now that you can see that it break out from the current level. Yeah, current price zone. Not good anymore. Okay, close it. Okay, close it. Yeah, it's nearly to stop loss level. Alright, so for this scalping signal, that's, yeah, we just gain around 20 pips and it's hitting our stop loss level. Okay, so it's just a part loss of our trading profit. Okay, so to a few hours later in my VIP signal group, okay, there will be another recover signal for you. Yeah, just small profit around 25 pips, and yeah, it hit to the stop loss level. Alright, just a small profit for us in the beginning. Oh dear, my friend, don't fight on my stream today. Alright. Yeah, positive negotiations will be good, but don't be argue so strictly. Okay, we are friends. So just calm down and focus on the chart. Yeah, actually, that in the beginning that I do not. How to say, it was a very strong bullish momentum in the beginning when it touched to the current resistance. But anyway, yeah, if we follow my advice on the stream today, you can close bad positions and hold for the good positions. And even some friends that you have a better entry zone around 77. Yeah, 77, you still had the profit for today. Okay, so anyone didn't close for this scalping signal, close it. Okay, close it. And no worries, I still have a lot of stream times with you. Okay, so today we just had a part of our loss, but tomorrow or tomorrow after tomorrow will be better. The day after tomorrow we will recover. So that is the reason why I always advise you to set the profit target within a month, yeah, or a week. So not every single day that the market will support for our analysis. Okay? All right. So yeah, okay, let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, after its breakout from the current resistance, yeah, the target to the next target is we're heading to the next level is 33.93. Yeah, and this is a small fair value gap that the market formed on July 27 here. And with this bullish momentum, yeah, it's easily for gold to fill this gap. And it's gonna be a reversal here because you can see the crossover between two EMA, two EMA line here, and confluence with another resistance. Yeah, this is can call the order block. Yeah, order block. You can see the doji here. This is a signal for the reversal, and this is also considered for resistance zone. Yeah, but with this very strong bullish momentum, gold just reacting briefly with this resistance, and it's heading to higher levels. Yeah, I just share with you. Okay, 94. Okay, my friend, I hope that you already closed for this signal. Yeah, don't try to hold this. It just make your account hurt. Yeah, if you're wrong, if you're lost, just let it hit your stop loss. Okay, your account, your capital is still remain. Yeah, and I believe that this loss just be harmful for your part of profit for today trading. Oh dear, Mohan. Okay, so just join in this stream with the friendliness. Okay, with the friendliness. I don't want anyone getting fighting on my stream. That could be the sadness, and I really do not hope for that. Yeah, together we contribute for a good community. Yeah, good and healthy community. Okay. Okay, so now it's time for me to say goodbye, and now I need to focus on my VIP signal group once again. And thank you so much for joining in my stream today with the very small profit around 25 pips for the entry zone 3376 level. Okay, so see you next time with another profitable scalping signal. Okay, don't let our guard down to every single trade, and stay disciplined. Okay, believe in yourself and believe in Golden Girl. Alright, see you next time.